Hi, Harry. How are you doing? How are the JavaScript lessons going?
James, JavaScript is so weird sometimes. I typed a number, and it suddenly acted like text.
Ah, you meant dynamic typing. Welcome to the party.
Dynamic. What now?
Dynamic typing. In JavaScript, variables don't have a fixed type. They change based on what you assign.
Wait, so the type can switch?
Exactly. One moment you say your variable is 5. That's a number. Next, you add the word hello. Suddenly, JavaScript treats everything like text.
So it's like my variable has a personality crisis?
Pretty much. It adapts. That's what makes JavaScript flexible and confusing.
Okay, and what about type conversion? I heard that phrase too.
Great question. Type conversion means changing one type into another. It can happen automatically, or you do it on purpose.
Like,
Say you add 5 in the word 7, not the number, the word. JavaScript says, I guess you want text, and turns a 5 into the word 5.
wow. So it becomes 5-7?
Exactly. That's automatic conversion, also called implicit.
And what's the opposite?
Explicit conversion, when you clearly tell JavaScript, hey, I want to turn this text into a number.
Like using a tool to change it?
Yes, you give a command like, turn this into a number, and JavaScript listens.
Alright, I think I'm getting it. Dynamic typing lets variables change. Implicit conversion happens by magic. Explicit is when I control it.
Perfect summary, Harry. You're getting dangerous. But there's still a lot of work to do. See you in the next videos.